What if you could carry a camera that's smaller than your thumb, weighs almost nothing, and still records crisp, full HD videos wherever you go? Whether you're traveling, cycling, attending lectures, creating YouTube content, or simply capturing everyday moments, this tiny gadget promises big capabilities. Today, we're reviewing the Lenovo G10 mini thumb camera, an ultra-compact wearable camera featuring 1080p HD recording, a 230-degree rotating lens, a built-in LCD screen, and support for MicroSD cards up to 128 gigabytes. But is this miniature camera actually worth buying? Let's find out. Hello everyone, and welcome back to Caring Guy. If you love discovering smart gadgets, wearable cameras, innovative technology, and honest product reviews, don't forget to like, subscribe, and turn on notifications. Now, let's check out one of the smallest wearable cameras available today. The first thing you'll notice is just how incredibly small this camera is. It measures only about 22 by 22 by 72 millimeters and weighs approximately 31.7 grams. That's lighter than many wireless earbuds. Its slim body easily slips into your pocket or clips onto your clothing. The package even includes a neck lanyard and keychain attachment, giving you multiple ways to carry it hands-free. Whether you're walking, cycling, hiking, fishing, or simply documenting your day, portability is clearly one of this camera's biggest strengths. Despite its tiny size, the G10 records full HD 1080p video at 1920 1080 resolution. If you want to save storage space, it also supports 720p recording. For a wearable camera in this category, full HD resolution is generally suitable for daily vlogs, travel memories, school projects, outdoor adventures, cycling, pet videos, family moments, and social media content. As always, image quality depends on lighting conditions and camera settings. One of the standout features is the 230-degree rotating lens. Instead of repositioning the entire camera, you can simply rotate the lens to achieve different shooting angles. Want to record from chest level? Need an upward perspective? Or perhaps you're wearing the camera on a backpack strap? The rotating lens makes framing much easier and more flexible. This feature is especially useful for first-person recording. Unlike many ultra-small cameras that require connecting to another device, the G10 includes a 0.96-inch TFT color display. This lets you preview your framing, review recorded videos, adjust settings, and navigate menus directly on the camera. Having an onboard screen adds convenience, especially when you're traveling. Video is only half the story. The G10 also records audio in WAV format, helping capture conversations and ambient sounds alongside your footage. Clear audio can make travel videos, lectures, and personal recordings much more enjoyable. The camera supports MicroSD cards up to 128 gigabytes. One important thing to remember: this model does not include built-in storage, so you'll need to insert a compatible memory card before recording. Using a larger capacity card means you can capture longer trips without constantly transferring files. Charging and transferring files is straightforward thanks to the USB Type-C port. Type-C offers faster and more convenient connections than older micro-USB designs. Simply charge the camera or connect it to your computer to manage your recordings. The camera supports more than 14 languages, making it accessible to users around the world. This is especially useful for international buyers. This mini camera is ideal for students recording lectures where permitted, travel vloggers, cyclists, hikers, fishermen, delivery workers, pet owners, outdoor enthusiasts, daily vlog creators, and anyone wanting a lightweight wearable recording device. Always respect privacy laws and obtain permission before recording people where required.
Here's what impressed me. Ultra lightweight at only 31.7 grams. Full HD 1080p recording. 230-degree rotating lens. Built-in LCD preview screen. Type-C charging. Supports MicroSD cards up to 128 gigabytes. Multiple carrying options. Easy to use. A few things to consider. No built-in memory. MicroSD card must be purchased separately. Small display isn't ideal for extended video viewing. Battery life depends on recording settings and usage.
The Lenovo G10 mini thumb camera packs an impressive number of features into an incredibly compact design. With 1080p recording, a 230-degree rotating lens, a built-in display, Type-C connectivity, and wearable portability, it's a practical option for everyday recording and outdoor adventures. If you're looking for a tiny, lightweight camera that's easy to carry almost anywhere, this could be a great addition to your everyday gear. Just remember to purchase a compatible microSD card before you head out.
So, if you owned this tiny camera, what would you record first? A travel adventure? A bike ride? A hiking trip? Or your daily life? Let us know in the comments. If you enjoyed this review, don't forget to like, subscribe, and turn on notifications for more gadget reviews, wearable cameras, drones, and smart technology here on Caring Guy. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.